To change keyboard theme on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you will have to scroll all the way down and go into the system and go for the keyboard. Next you have to go for the on-screen keyboard, select the Gboard, press on the Gboard itself, and then you have this theme right here. So let's press this one, and there you can find a couple of different themes, some default themes, colored themes, landscapes, and a couple of gradients. And all you simply have to do is just select any theme that you'd like. Let's, for example, select this one, and here you can toggle the keyboarders. As you can see, as you turn on and off these keyboarders, and you have the preview of how your keyboard will look like. So let's keep these keyboarders, press apply, and as you can see now we have this particular theme applied. And let me just show you, this is right here our keyboard, and that is how you can do this.